Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs under the microscope, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your Vingle experience. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for Vingle? They've got the essentials locked down. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your login info stays safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so you never lose your Vingle connection with your IP exposed. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't track which servers you connect to on Vingle. But the places where they differ, that's what really matters for Vingle. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for Vingle because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another awesome feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could be full of tracker scams or fake profiles, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called MeshNet, letting you connect with friends for a super secure custom Vingle group. The one small downside, a limit of 10 devices at a time. Now, that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections. So you can run it on your PC, phone, and tablet all at once while Vingling. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy Vingle user can check their code for backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's not just a promise, it's been put to the test. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce, it owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen, they have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable connection for you. And for any Vingle user dealing with connectivity drops or lag, it provides a SOC 5 proxy for the lowest possible latency. This can help route your Vingle traffic for a smoother experience. Just keep in mind you're sacrificing a layer of encryption for that speed boost. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for Vingle? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means less buffering and smoother browsing. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady connection times using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests found its performance varies depending on the server you pick. So, which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if low latency is your top priority, you want a lag-free Vingle experience, or you want the best all-around VPN with the most features. Go with IPVanish if you have a ton of gadgets or a whole household of Vingle users. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer incredible value. And finally, pick PIA if you're on a budget or a privacy-focused Vingle user who needs evidence to back up claims. Its open-source apps and proven no-logs record are truly unique. And that's it. We're all out of time, so if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're running for Vingle. See you soon.